Today, I will explain the main types of chemical bonding that hold atoms and molecules together. Chemical bonds are the forces that keep atoms connected to form substances. These bonds determine the properties of matter we observe in everyday life. I will begin with the ionic bond. An ionic bond is formed when one atom transfers one or more electrons to another atom. This usually happens between a metal and a nonmetal. The atom that loses electrons becomes positively charged, while the atom that gains electrons becomes negatively charged. The opposite charges attract each other, forming a strong electrostatic force. A common example of an ionic bond is sodium chloride, where sodium transfers an electron to chlorine. Next is the covalent bond. A covalent bond occurs when two nonmetal atoms share one or more pairs of electrons. This sharing allows each atom to achieve a stable electron arrangement. Covalent bonds can be single, double, or triple depending on the number of shared electron pairs. Examples include water, where oxygen shares electrons with hydrogen, and carbon dioxide, where carbon forms double bonds with oxygen. The dative bond, also known as a coordinate covalent bond, is a special type of covalent bond. In this bond, both electrons in the shared pair come from one atom instead of one from each atom. Even though the electrons originate from one atom, the bond behaves like a normal covalent bond. An example of a dative bond is found in the ammonium ion, where nitrogen donates a pair of electrons to a hydrogen ion. Another important bond is the hydrogen bond. A hydrogen bond is a weak attraction between a hydrogen atom and a highly electronegative atom such as oxygen, nitrogen, or fluorine. Although weaker than ionic and covalent bonds, hydrogen bonds are very important in nature. They help hold water molecules together and play a crucial role in the structure of DNA and proteins. I will now explain van der Waals forces. These are very weak intermolecular forces that occur between molecules due to temporary fluctuations in electron distribution. Van der Waals forces are present in all molecules and become significant when molecules are very close to each other. Although weak individually, they contribute to properties such as boiling points and the ability of substances to condense into liquids. Finally, I will discuss the metallic bond. Metallic bonding occurs in metals, where positively charged metal ions are held together by a sea of delocalized electrons. These free-moving electrons allow metals to conduct electricity and heat, and also explain why metals are malleable and ductile. Examples of metallic bonding are found in substances such as iron, copper, and aluminium. In conclusion, different types of chemical bonds explain how substances form and why they have different physical and chemical properties. Understanding these bonds helps us understand reactions, materials, and the structure of matter around us. Thank you for listening.